and cell therapy updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in regenerative medicine. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Acquired hemophilia A is a rare autoimmune disorder that causes severe and life-threatening bleeding. A patient resistant to standard immunosuppressive therapy achieved complete remission after receiving anti-CD19 CAR T-cell therapy. The treatment successfully eliminated the patient's inhibitors and removed the need for hemostatic medication, marking a potential breakthrough for patients unresponsive to conventional therapies. The FDA has approved revokinogene taroretcel, the first gene therapy for macular telangiectasia type 2, a progressive retinal disease that leads to vision loss. The therapy uses encapsulated cell technology to continuously deliver CNTF to the retina, slowing disease progression. In Phase 3 trials, the treatment reduced photoreceptor loss by 56.4%, representing a significant advancement in retinal disease management. Regeneron's DBOTO gene therapy has demonstrated promising results in children with genetic deafness. In a recent trial, 10 out of 11 treated children regained near-normal hearing, with one previously deaf child now able to recognize words and engage in conversation. The therapy was well tolerated, with only mild and temporary vestibular side effects, reinforcing its potential as a transformative treatment for hereditary hearing loss. Longeveron stem cell therapy, laromestrocel, also known as Lomecel-B, has shown encouraging results in the treatment of mild Alzheimer's disease. Patients receiving the therapy demonstrated improvements in cognition, brain volume, and overall quality of life, with a slower disease progression compared to the placebo group. The FDA has granted Lomecel-B Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation, accelerating its pathway to clinical use. Bristol Myers Squibb has announced its acquisition of 2seventy bio for $286 million, representing an 88% premium over the company's stock price. The acquisition strengthens Bristol Myers Squibb's CAR T therapy portfolio, particularly with Abecma, a key multiple myeloma treatment. The deal is expected to close in the second quarter of 2025. Roslin CT and Airmid Pharma have entered into a strategic partnership to manufacture Omasurge, an FDA-approved hematopoietic progenitor cell therapy used for treating hematologic malignancies. Production will take place at Roslin CT's facility in Hopkinton, Massachusetts, expanding access to this critical treatment. Astellas and Yaskawa have formed a joint venture to develop a robotic cell therapy manufacturing platform. The initiative aims to improve accuracy and reproducibility in cell therapy production while supporting startups and academic institutions. By automating key processes, this platform is expected to enhance scalability and reduce costs for cell therapy manufacturing. Coeptis Therapeutics has launched Gear Therapeutics, a subsidiary focused on advancing next-generation cancer cell therapies. Their Gear-NK platform enhances natural killer cells, making them resistant to monoclonal antibodies. This technology is designed to improve outcomes for multiple myeloma and other hematologic cancers. At the recent LeRink conference, Gilead subsidiary Kite Pharma discussed the future of CAR T therapy. The company introduced Anito-cel, a next-generation CAR T therapy demonstrating a 62% complete response rate. Manufacturing reliability has improved to 96%, with production turnaround times reduced to just 14 days. Kite is also expanding its CAR T pipeline into autoimmune diseases, targeting lupus, myositis, and scleroderma. New data on cema-cel, an allogeneic CAR T therapy also known as ALLO-501/A, indicate a 42% complete response rate in patients with relapsed or refractory large B-cell lymphoma. The therapy demonstrated a manageable safety profile, with no severe neurotoxicity or cytokine release syndrome. As an off-the-shelf CAR T treatment, cema-cel could significantly improve accessibility and efficiency in lymphoma care. Want to stay ahead of the latest gene and cell therapy research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services.